up, YouTube? I'm Cullum Costello, and today we'll be talking about a couple penny stocks that I've been following closely on the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some news from these stocks, and then we'll take a look at the charts to see how the stocks have been behaving lately. Please keep in mind, you guys, that the stock market and especially penny stocks are very risky, so please don't invest any money that you're not willing to lose, and as always, do your own research. Now let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, the first penny stock we'll be talking about is CYBERLUX Corporation, or CYBL stock. I am invested in CYBERLUX. I believe this one has long-term potential. Let's take a look at a couple recent tweets from CYBERLUX Corporation. Here's a recent tweet from the official account of CYBERLUX Corporation. Quick update. We are in constant contact with OTC Market on our pink current status. Here's their direct quote. The only item left is the queue to review your last attorney letter. That's it. So, we're just waiting on the OTC markets, and it looks like CYBERLUX has everything in order. And this tweet we're looking at from CYBERLUX Corporation is a little more recent. It states, business update. The team has been hard at work on the next acquisition in the pipeline, and we expect to share over the next 4 to 6 weeks. These tweets were leading up to this next tweet we're going to check out, which is the one we've all been waiting for as CYBERLUX shareholders, you guys. Then stick around, we're going to check out the charts to see how CYBERLUX stock reacted to this news. And here is the tweet we've all been waiting for. It says, quick update. We are now OTCM Pink Current. Thank you for your patience, CYBL community. And here we are on OTCmarkets.com under CYBL stock, and we can see in the top right there that the yield sign has been taken down, and we see Pink Current. And there we have it. CYBL stock is now Pink Current. This is due to great management and just an overall great company in my opinion. Now that CYBERLUX is Pink Current, I'm looking forward to some more press releases about some upcoming acquisitions. Now let's take a look at the stock charts to see how CYBERLUX stock reacted to this news. But first, you guys, if you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button down below. It helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, and we're a young channel trying to grow, and it also helps other investors learn about these stocks. Here's the 6-month, 1-day candlestick chart for CYBL stock. So each of these candles would represent how the stock traded for 1 day over the last 6 months. The overall primary trend is definitely an uptrend for CYBERLUX Corporation, and we can see the last big green candle there with a top wick on news this morning where it gapped up at the open. Let's drill down to a closer chart to take a look. Here's the 6-month, 1-hour candlestick chart for CYBERLUX Corporation, or CYBL stock. So each of these candles would represent how the stock traded in 1 hour. We can see that blue line there, that's this morning's open. It gapped up over last night's close of 0.0145. The levels that I'm watching right now for CYBERLUX Corporation, right now it's trading up trying to break through a wall at 0.017. If we can break through this wall, I'll look for that area to hold as support. If we start trading down, I'll be watching this gap at 0.0145 to get filled. However, if we do fill the gap, I will be watching for that level to become the next strong level of support. Alright, you guys, the next penny stock we'll be talking about is FERN Corporation, or FERN stock. FERN stock has a lot of potential in my opinion, and they just dropped a press release that we're going to take a look at, and then we'll take a look at the stock charts. But first, you guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. It's free, and all you're going to do is learn about stocks and more ways to make money. FERN Corporation announces appointment of Executive Vice President of Engineering and Progress on its newly acquired crypto mining operating system, Perfect Mine. FERN Corporation, a developer and acquirer of high-performance proprietary software solutions focused on cryptocurrency mining, digital asset trading, and blockchain applications, is pleased to announce the appointment of Nathaniel Coonrod as Executive VP of Engineering.
Permission to come aboard, sir.
We are thrilled with the appointment of Mr. Coonrod as our EVP of Engineering, said FERN CEO Mark Lasky. Nathaniel is a world-class software engineer that has worked on a wide range of mission-critical projects with a vast array of companies. He also helped author multiple issued and pending patents around blockchain and distributed computing technologies. Having a specialization in blockchain development, crypto mining, and large-scale software development projects, Nathaniel has created several cutting-edge technologies in private blockchains that led to multiple successful exits, and as such, I am confident that he is the perfect person to help us take FERN to the next level.
Stock. The next level, eh?
Okay, I will.
Prior to joining Fernhill, Nathaniel led multinational engineering and development teams on projects for both established and startup companies, including Tesla, Rogers Corporation, and FogChain, to name a few. With Fernhill, Nathaniel's duties will include spearheading all product development, technology implementation guidelines, and collaborating with all existing and upcoming acquisitions to make sure integration goes smoothly, synergies are created, and a technology roadmap is established to support growth. Synergies are exceedingly important in light of Fernhill's recently announced letter of intent to acquire a digital asset trading platform.
That is correct.
I personally know Nathaniel and have worked with him on multiple projects during the past 5 years. He only brings a wealth of development experience and a history of success. He has a nice blend of entrepreneurial and organizational leadership experience, which we greatly value, stated Chris Kern, strategic advisor of Fernhill Corporation. Thanks to his incredible expertise in software engineering, blockchain, and crypto mining operations, we're very excited to have him join Fernhill. Nathaniel will lead the development efforts towards making Perfect Mine the best-in-class operating system for miners, and we can't wait for the initial relaunch of the Perfect Mine platform under his guidance within the next couple weeks. We're going to finish up the article and see what Nathaniel Coonrod said about jumping on board with Fernhill Corporation, but I just want to let you guys know, please feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I love hearing from each and every one of you, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Fernhill is a great company with top-notch management, and their mission totally aligns with my experience and my passions, said newly appointed EVP of Engineering, Nathaniel Coonrod. I'm super excited about both the short-term and long-term opportunities to grow the company. I believe in the future of cryptocurrencies and the great potential it has globally, and truly feel that Fernhill is well-positioned to do great things in the space. Well, now that we got all the news out of the way, you guys, let's take a look at the stock charts and we'll see how Fern reacted to this news. Here's the 6-month, 1-day candlestick chart for Fernhill Corporation, or FERN stock. The overall trend, or primary trend, for FERN stock has been an uptrend, but it's got choppy at times. We can see with news the other day, it hit that resistance level at around 0.026. Let's drill into a closer chart to take a look to see if we can figure out what FERN stock might do in the shorter term. Here's the 6-month, 1-hour candlestick chart for FERN stock, or Fernhill Corporation stock. We can see that Fern hit that level of 0.026 there and couldn't bust through it. Right now, I'll be watching the level of 0.0188 where there's a gap up to 0.19. Fern is trading down towards this level right now, so unless they bounce to the upside, I'll be watching this gap to get filled. Watching for the bounce, I'll be looking at the level of just around 2 cents there. We can see it's hit that level and has found support before. Also, pay attention to the volume down below, which the selling volume has been decreasing slightly. Well, that's all the time we have for today's video, you guys. I hope this helped you learn a little bit about these two stocks, or at least catch up on the news if you're an investor in FERN or CYBL stock. If you do own either of these two stocks, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below. It'll help other investors learn about the stock. If you're looking to invest in CYBL or FERN stock, please keep in mind that right now they are not traded on Robinhood or Webull. I use E-Trade, it's just a personal preference, and I've provided a link in the description down below if you guys are interested. Till next time, you guys, I'm Cullum Costello. Now hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.